Let's go back in time to see how a caveman fell into a very modern money trap. Okay, so picture this, a world with no apps, but the same old temptations. Deep in the jungle lived Grug, a caveman who, well, had a little bit of a problem. And that problem was bananas. Grug was absolutely obsessed with them, a real craving. So he sees this amazing cart of bananas, but his pockets are empty. No rocks. Then a sly trader spots him and makes an offer that sounds way too good to be true. Grug is thrilled. He's chowing down with no idea he just walked right into a trap. Grug basically just invented the Stone Age version of buy now, pay later. But here's the catch Grug didn't see. A secret lender paid the trader for him. So Grug doesn't owe the friendly trader anymore. He owes someone much, much tougher. And for a little while, life was great. Why save rocks when you can have banana joy now? Soon, it wasn't just bananas. He was using pay later for everything, and it started to add up. Then, bam! The next moon hits. The lender shows up to collect, and Grug has nothing. Grug thought he owed 10 bananas. Simple math, right? Wrong. Somehow he now owes 14. How did that even happen? 2 words, late fees. They started piling on, getting bigger, and way more dangerous. And that's when it hit him. Those tasty bananas were completely wrecking his future. This was rock bottom for Grug. But it's also the moment he finally gets it. He decides to change. No more instant gratification. He starts saving and planning ahead. So now, Grug is way smarter. When a trader makes an offer, he doesn't just jump, he thinks. And he learns to ask one super powerful question. What's this really going to cost me later? Look, buy now, pay later is like fire. Use it wisely, it can help. Use it blindly. So before you grab whatever your banana is, just take a second and remember Grug's story. Always ask yourself, is this banana now worth it, or are you building a better future?